Hello everyone! Today's video, we will learn about using modals appropriately. Hi students! How is everyone doing? This lesson is intended to help you continue learning English at home. It is designed to provide you with meaningful and engaging learning experiences that will help you enhance your skills in reading, writing, speaking, listening, and viewing. At the end of this video, you will be able to define modal, identify modals and their functions, determine the condition conveyed by modals in sample sentences, and use modals to express specific functions. What is modal verb? Modal verb is a type of verb that is used to indicate modality, ability, permission, request, capacity, suggestions, order, obligation, or advice. Characteristics of modal verbs. They never change their form. You can't add s, ed, or ing. They are always followed by an infinitive without to. Example, the bare infinitive. They are used to indicate modality and allow speakers to express certainty, possibility, willingness, obligation, necessity, and ability. Modal verbs are can, indicates capacity, permission, request. Example, I can help. Can I use alcohol, please? Could, it means capacity in the past of can, polite permission or request. Suggestion, possibility, low probability or one possibility of many. Example, I could not see you soon. Could I see you through internet? We could chat each other. We could have a meeting via Zoom. May indicate polite permission or request. Possibility, more probable than could. Example, may I wash my hands first? It may be dangerous outside. They may be at home. Might, same as may. Example, it might rain today. She might be at home. Should, states and advise, rational probability. Example, he should go to the doctor. He should be fine. Must, indicates obligation, necessity, very high probability. Example, you must take care of yourself. You must stay at home. Shall, indicates obligation in legal documents. Suggestions, future tense, rare. Example, the person under probable case shall isolate himself or herself. Shall we begin? Thou shalt not go outside without permission. Will, states a voluntary action, a promise, a prediction. Example, I will pray for our safety. I will call you at 4 p.m. The summer will be very hot. Would, it means conditional, past of will, repetition in the past. Example, if I had time, I would travel more. He said he would come. When I lived in Muntinlupa City, I would always go to the Museo de Muntinlupa. Now let's see what you've learned. Fill in the blanks with the correct form of the following modals: can, could, may, might, shall, should, must, will. 1. If you are sick, you blank see a doctor immediately. You blank infect others. 2. Blank someone who has had COVID-19 spread the illness to others. 3. What blank you do if you have had close contact with someone who has COVID-19. 4. If you will not stay at home, you blank be at risk of COVID-19. 5. Due to the COVID-19 outbreak, we blank follow the quarantine guidelines for our safety. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned something in this video. For more educational videos, subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell button below.